Add a plane and rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Apply the rotation. Add an array modifier and a simple deform modifier. Set the simple deform to bend at a 360 degree angle on the z-axis. Increasing the array count increases the thickness of the cylinder. Add another array modifier. Rename it array vertical to avoid later confusion. Set the offset to 1 on the z-axis and 0 on the other axis. Increase the count to make the cylinder higher. Now you can edit the original plane to create interesting details. For example, by poking faces, insetting, extruding, and so on. Finally, by adding a curve modifier, you can use a curve to control the cylinder shape.